Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. Woke up around 7:30. It is now 8:08. It's about 38 minutes ago. Grabbed some coffee, grabbed my OnePlus 7 Pro, and realized that I have a software update ready to go, ready to download, ready to install. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro unlocked variant, 8 GB of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage. This is not the T-Mobile variant. I do not know if the T-Mobile variant has received this software update. So if you own a OnePlus 7 Pro and you picked yours up from T-Mobile, let me know down below if you've received the software update. If you haven't, you should eventually receive this software update that I just received. Now, I could be late to the game. A lot of you might have already gotten this yesterday, maybe the day before. I don't know. Thing is, I have a lot of other stuff going on in my life, so sometimes I'm kind of late to the game, but I'm still going to share the fact that I've received the software update. So if you haven't, you should, whether it's an unlocked variant or a T-Mobile variant. Again, this is the unlocked. I bought it over at the OnePlus website. Let's go over into the settings here. System updates. There it is. 170 MBs. Download and install now. Oxygen OS 9.5.6. Capital G, capital M, 21, capital AA. I love seeing this. Loving my 7 Pro. Super buttery experience. Shout out to Mikey114. Love it. Love it. Gonna give it a heart. Loving feedback. Okay. So let's see what we're getting here. Remember, this is the unlocked variant. Okay. If you have the T-Mobile variant, if you have received this update, please leave feedback. Detailed feedback. Phone, fixed issue with Verizon users. Cannot answer phone calls from Verizon iPhone. That's an interesting one. Wow. If you have had that issue and it is fixed, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm going to keep saying that over and over again. System, optimized double tap to wake and ambient display. Optimized audio delay with the Bluetooth headset when playing games. General bug fixes and improvements. Camera. This is the biggie right here, right? This is what a lot of you have been waiting for. For me, not so much, but my experiences aren't yours. So hopefully this update will make your experience on your unlocked OnePlus 7 Pro amazing. And if this has come out for the T-Mobile variant, or you're still waiting for it and it eventually comes, please come back to this video and leave your feedback. Camera. Improved image quality in HDR scenarios, improved image quality in low light, fixed white balance issue in several scenarios, fixed focus issue in several scenarios. Thanks to the overwhelming amount of positive and constructive feedback we received from users of the OnePlus 7 Pro's triple camera, both from within the media and our own community, OnePlus is committed to building products for our users. We value your voice. Continue leaving feedback. Any issues that are going on with your unlocked OnePlus 7 Pro or the T-Mobile variant, leave feedback. Let OnePlus know what is going on. I'm hoping that through this software update that a lot of the issues that some of you are having, whatever they may be, will be fixed. So let me know if you got the software update for your unlocked variant or your T-Mobile variant. And if you've already gotten it, you've already downloaded it, installed it, what has your experience been like? All right, everybody. God bless. Peace. I am out. To my next video, this is my Project 13. Have a great and wonderful day.